Hello everyone. Today we will learn about the first chapter of your book, that is festivals. So, can anybody tell me what is festival? Yes, a festival is a day on which we celebrate an important event with great joy and enthusiasm. Yes, some festivals are celebrated for just one day, whereas other festivals are celebrated for more than one day. So, there are two types of festivals. The first one is national festival and the second one is religious and social festivals. So first is national festivals. Here is a picture of national festival in India. There are three major national festivals. These festivals are celebrated throughout the country. What are these national festivals? These are the Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. These three are the national festival of India. So the first one is Independence Day. Can anybody tell me when we celebrate Independence Day? Yes, Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August every year. And why we celebrate it? Yes, we celebrate it because on this day in 1947 India became free from the British rule. Yes, we remember our great freedom fighters who gave their lives for the freedom of our country. That's why we celebrate Independence Day. The next one is Republic Day. The second national festival is Republic Day and we celebrate this festival on 26th of January. Can anybody tell me why we celebrate Republic Day? Yes, because on this day in 1950 India became a democratic republic. Yes, in Delhi, Republic Day is celebrated with great pomp and show. A parade is held on the Rajpath, and there is a parade which held in the Rajpath. School children, folk dancers from various states also take part in this parade. The next is Gandhi Jayanti. The third national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd of October. And why we celebrate it? Because on this day in 1869 Mahatma Gandhi was born. Who was Mahatma Gandhi? He was a great man. He loved peace and truth. He helped us to get freedom for our country. He is also known as the father of the nation. So, till now we studied about the national festivals. Now, move forward to the religious festivals. India is a place where many religions stay together. They are Hindus, Muslims, Sikh, Christians, and many others. They celebrate their own festival throughout the country. So, see the first picture. This is the picture of Diwali. Diwali is the religious festival, and it is also called as the festival of lights. It is celebrated 20 days after Dussehra. And why we celebrate Diwali? Because it is believed that on this day Lord Rama came back to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. Yes, that's why we celebrate Diwali with great joy. Look at the first picture. The first picture of Rangoli making that we make in our homes. We go to worship places to do worship. We decorate our houses. Yes, we wear new clothes on this festival and we worship Goddess Lakshmi on this day. Now the next festival is Holi. Holi is a popular festival of North India. It is a festival of colors. People color each other with gulal and colored waters. Yes, and they sing and dance with joy. And why we celebrate? Because this shows the victory of good over evil. Next is Christmas Day. Yes, do you all know when we celebrate Christmas Day? We celebrate this festival on 25th of December. Yes, and why we celebrate it? Because on this day Jesus Christ was born on this day. Who was born? Jesus Christ was born on this day. That's why we celebrate Christmas Day. Children believe that Santa Claus brings gifts for them on Christmas Eve. Yes, and every house is celebrated with a small Christmas tree, glass bulbs, star, bells. Now, the next is social and harvest festivals. So, what are the social and harvest festivals? Yes, social festival means like the festivals, Teachers' Day, Children's Day, these all are the festivals that come under social festivals. And harvest festival means on that day harvesting of crop is done by the farmers and they celebrate this festival with great joy. So the first festival is Onam. This is a harvest festival of Kerala. Yes, Onam is the main festival of Kerala. It falls in the month of August or September and it lasts for 4 days. People sing, dance and have boat race during this festival. As you can see in this picture, the first picture is of rangoli making, dance, food, delicious food is cooked at that time and boat races are also held. And do you know the most famous boat race is snake boat race. Snake boat race is the most famous boat race that happens on the festival of Onam in Kerala. Now the next festival is Children's Day. This is a social festival. Why we celebrate Children's Day? It is celebrated on the 14th of November. Why? Because on this day Jawaharlal Nehru was born. Who was he? Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much and they call him Chacha Nehru. This was all about the festivals and the main types of festival, that is national festival,